Chinese honey prawns. They're an absolute delight. And I'm going to show you how to make them from home because we all know we can get them from the takeaway shop very easily, but they're so much better when you make them from scratch. So what makes them so special is that they're dunked in a delicious batter, then deep fried, and then popped into a delicious honey and soy sauce. But first we need to get the oil up to temperature. So you want the oil to be at the optimum temperature for frying, so it not only cooks the prawn all the way through, but sets that batter. So induction has come a long way, and my induction actually sets the temperature control. I'm going to set my temperature to 180 degrees. So that's the perfect frying temperature for prawns. So as that's heating up, we can just take all the guesswork out when it comes to the oil. That's going to heat up and notify me when it's at the optimum temperature. While that's happening, we can get on to our batter. So into a bowl, I have some self-raising flour. To this, I like to add about 1/4 cup of cornflour. It's just going to make our batter much lighter. To that, I like to add a pinch of salt, and we'll just mix all the dry ingredients together, make a well in the centre, and we'll crack 1 egg. Okay. To make this extra light, I love the addition of some soda water. You can also use beer for this. It's the bubbles that activate with the flour that makes it really, really crispy and light. So I'm just going to break up that egg, and little by little, we're going to add our water. Now, the consistency that we're after is thickened cream. So you don't want it to be too thick, you don't want it to be too thin. So when you're adding your liquid, always just reserve some because you might need a little more or a little less. So I'm going to add some more, mix that in. I don't want to be too vigorous with the whisking. I don't mind if there's just a few lumps in there. I don't want to overwork it though. Now we're going to add some more of our water, and see how it's quite fluffy? That's what we're after. Did you hear that? That beep is to notify us that that temperature is hot and ready to go. So let's finish this batter. And look at the consistency. That's just right. All right, before we get frying, let's quickly put the sauce together. So you'll need about 1/4 cup of honey. So I'm just going to squeeze that directly into a wok. Lots of nice honey for this. I have some soy sauce, some light soy sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Some sesame oil, a good glug of sesame oil. And just to balance it out, because it's all about sweet and sour for this, some white vinegar. I'm going to turn the heat on, and don't want it to be too hot. So while that's heating up, let's get back to our prawns. I have some gorgeous Australian prawns here. I've peeled them, I've deveined them, but I like to leave the tail intact because it's quite pretty as it fries. So working with 1 prawn at a time, dunk it in that batter. Now, whenever you're frying, you want to do it carefully and you don't want to overcrowd the pan. So I'm going to cook about 4 of these at a time, and then we'll drain them on a wire rack. Look at these beautiful plump prawns, perfectly cooked. And that temperature of oil stayed the same temperature the whole time, which makes life so much easier. Okay, with these prawns, we're going to place them into our honey soy mixture. They're pretty much cooked now, so all we're doing is just coating them. Okay. And I've just got this on that medium to low heat. I'll just use my tongs just to coat them in that honey soy mixture. I've got some sesame seeds. We're just going to add the sesame seeds, loads of sesame seeds. And you want to add it second so it sticks to the honey soy mixture. All right, let's take that off the heat. Just move that, and we'll pile them up into a gorgeous shallow bowl like this one. You can serve it as is, or as a main with some steamed rice would be fantastic. See how they've really plumped up because of that batter, the light, crisp batter. Some spring onions. Just going to cut them in half. And I actually want to use more of the darker green part. Sprinkle that over the top. And that's my Chinese honey soy prawns. fluffy on the outside, perfectly sweet and cooked in the center. They're addictive.